Just arrived here early in the morning because we are going to fix this damage at the customer's workplace without harming the factory paint finish, and we're going to do this using what's called the paintless dent repair method. I had a few people that actually worked here. They came out and they wanted to see what I was doing, and I told them I was going to fix the damage without painting, and they were like, there's no way. But the reality of it is, if it could be done this way, it's a much higher quality repair solution versus going to the body shop and having it replaced or having them put body filler over the damaged area and then trying to repaint this entire side of the vehicle. But this is basically us going in there and using what's called a glue pulling setup, and the glue pulling setup actually allows us to pull a big amount of that metal out. And with many hours of metal sculpting, we're able to achieve these results here, and this customer was absolutely blown away. Don't get it twisted though, these repairs, they take a long time to do at a high level, and they definitely are not cheap, but they are definitely way better than what the alternative is.